Hey there everybody, hold on. Hey there everybody, welcome back to the Monomigos YouTube channel. Today I am going to be installing a SENA to my bike helmet and I will bring you along with me. To start off, you're going to want to take off the cheek pads. So we'll go ahead and do that. And then we bring the center out. Okay. I guess we could have went ahead and taken all of this out. This is all for charging purposes. We'll set this off to the side for now. Here we're going to have all our sticky pads, and we bought a different microphone if needed. I'm just going to go ahead and try the one that's on there now and see how that works. Alright. So we're going to go ahead and loosen these up so we can clamp it to the side of the helmet. Alright, hopefully that's good enough. And then you're going to want to install it on the left side. So hopefully I get it right. When you clip it into your helmet, you're going to want to get it in between this padding and then right here. There we go. Might need to change the microphone to a smaller one, but can worry about that later. Then you're going to want to come over here. If there's a gap, SENA has some adhesives that you can put in there and get rid of that, but I think I'm pretty good on that. And then here we have our speakers. So the shorter one is going to stay here on the left side, and then the longer one is obviously going to wrap around over here, over to the right side. And I haven't taken the stickies off yet. I'm just kind of playing around with it. You want to make sure it's going to be right where your ears are at though. So I would say right here might be a good spot. I know it's kind of hard to see, but I'm going to go ahead and remove the sticky lining. Oh. Okay, that's the speakers. Okay, and we'll grab some adhesives that SENA provides. Yep, right here. Some adhesives. Oh, my helmet closed. I don't want to drop it. Okay, I grabbed the wrong ones initially. These are the ones you want, and you'll know you have the right ones because they will Velcro on pretty easily. See? So, yep, we'll get these on there, and then get this on the other one, and we'll be ready to install them. I think right there would be good. Okay. try that out, and then I'm sure we can always move them if they don't work out right there. But I hope that they do. And then hopefully this video is good for you guys. I'm sorry if it's not. My first time making a YouTube video. Okay, I'm just kidding. Right here, it goes, just slides right in. See, there we go. It's nice and safe in there. Oh, there, that's how that goes up. I'm still learning it if you can't tell. And that turns it on, I believe. No? Okay. I believe it's trying to sync right now. Not exactly sure. Actually, I think it might be playing my phone through it. I guess I'll try it on and see if it worked. Well, I'm not sure if you can hear it or not, but I do have audio playing through it, and it's coming through the SENAs, so I have successfully paired it. Now you will have to download an app. SENA has you download an app. I'm sorry. Now I'm not sure if you can hear it, but I do have audio playing through the speakers, so I successfully connected the SENA, and it is all good and ready to go. The weather's starting to get warmer here, so riding season is going to be starting, and I am all set. I'm connected. I can listen to music and whatever. The microphone I will have to change because this one just seems a little bit long, but I'll worry about that later. It's not too difficult to change. You just loosen these and then you'll take it out through here. Maybe I will do that and videotape it for you guys. But yep, that was it. Hope you guys find this helpful. Yeah.